Hey, so if you guys know me, I have a lot of services. I've lived multiple lifetimes, definitely gone through the whole financial services industry since age 21, cutting my teeth on cash out, debt refinance, credit card consolidation, refinances to take your monthly $5,000 of debt payment down to like $2,000, save you $3,000 a month, then invest that in your 401k to retire early. So I got just thrown into the deep end early in life, and this is 30 years later, and I'm kind of smart. So there's so many things that we can work on for a financial client or a business, especially real estate flippers. The most important area that we all hate focusing on is fixing that credit score. So if you do anything wrong and it goes up to 900. I've only seen an 825, 849. But if if you don't have a 700, 720, and you want to buy that 12 unit, that 20 unit, that 100 unit with the cash flow or the rent rolls of the building, you can't even get the 75% that I offer if you don't have a 700 tri-merge, which means Experian, Equifax, TransUnion, and now there's a Novus. But if you don't have a, usually Experian is the big dog, and everybody kind of sucks off of their information. So if you don't have like a 750 is what you want to have when people start pulling your credit, because you can drop down to 720 and still qualify. Some places 700. But say you want to buy a $2 million, $10 million building and instantly retire, which is pretty much what we should all be shooting for, and keep the management in place. And then about 25%, as Grant Cardone says, of that cash flow is your money, and you have someone else managing the building. You don't even have to set foot on the property. But to be able to get that 75%, you need 30% down and a good credit score. So hopefully you can get the money from friends and family or syndication, but you definitely need the DSCR, debt service coverage ratio money, from someone else. So I've got multiple lenders for that, but what I find is most people's credit is kind of screwed. So let's just get serious, focus on your credit. Let's work together, engage us for, I would pick a weekly, but if nothing else, pick an every other 4-hour package. That gets you 4 hours, 2 live meetings, first and third of the month, first week and third week of the month. I'll give you homework, you go do it. We'll check on you on the third week, and then we'll just keep growing that credit score till we get up to 750, then we apply. So, if you have not addressed your credit score and it's an issue, you're losing money on your car loan, your house loan, your credit cards, and you're bleeding interest that could have been savings, that could have been compounding on that exponential curve. So you double that, and then you double that, and you double that, and double. What's the best compounding interest doubling? Though, as far as I can get, like the 57th one, the 180th one. But you got to get on the compound interest curve, and you can't start saving if you're always in debt. And if you're always in debt, you're just miserable. So let's bite the bullet. Let's get started working on your credit. Just engage us, and I'll walk you through the steps. We'll hold your hand. We'll get someone else to file the disputes, to do the follow-up disputes. Every 45 to 60 days, they'll hit them again and again and again. Within 1 year, you should be up to 750 or 800. So if you're ready to get going, I'll have a link probably down here. So subscribe, of course, and click, okay? All right, we want to get you rocking and rolling. Let's address the elephant in the room, which is your bad credit. That's like 650, 630, 550, whatever it would be. It's not 700 and above, okay? All right, I want to help you. Bye.